A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Wednesday's trading action at Dalal Street dated April 6th, 2022. In yesterday's trade, cautious market mood prevailed at Dalal Street as aggressive traders looked to book profits in HDFC Twins, which slipped around 2 to 3%. The negative takeaway was that Nifty ended on a negative note and most importantly below the psychological 18,000 mark. This morning, judging by early action at SGX Nifty, it appears volatility will be hallmark of today's trading session. Keeping investors on back foot will be the WTI oil prices, which hover around $103 a barrel on supply concerns. Also denting sentiments will be sluggish leads from overnight Wall Street trade after Federal Reserve Governor Lyle Brainard said the central bank will reduce its balance sheet soon. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests a rough session on cards as all anxious eyes will be on Fed minutes to trickle in later in the evening. Please note overnight the US Treasury yields have inverted again. This happens when short-term bond yields exceed those of long-term bond yields. It means investors are worried about the economy's long-term prospects. The 10-year UST bond yield has spiked about 2.55%. The street is expecting the Fed to announce 50 basis point rate hike at the May, June and July meetings. Now before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty current market price 17,957. Buy between 17,725 to 17,750 zone. Strict stop at 17,411. Targets 18,207 and then at 18,605. Aggressive targets at 19,101 zone. Bank Nifty 38,069. Sell between 38,300 to 38,500 zone. Strict stop at 39,501. Targets 37,305 and then at 46,266. Aggressive targets at 34,755 zone. Technically speaking, Nifty's intraday support seen only at 17,686 mark. The make or break Nifty's medium-term support seen at 200 DMA at 17,100 mark. From a chartist standpoint, the technical landscape will improve considerably only if Nifty closes above its biggest hurdles at 18,205 mark. The Nifty options data for April series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 17,500 to 19,000 zone. Maximum call open interest is at 18,000 followed by 19,000 strike price. So the 19,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 17,500 levels followed by 18,000 levels. Call writing was seen at 18,100 and then at 18,700 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 17,500 and then at 17,600 strike price. Bank Nifty will struggle for direction in today's trade. After yesterday's profit booking, Bank Nifty will trade sluggish. Immediate support seen only at 37,301 and hurdles seen at 38,761 mark. Confirmation of strength only above 38,761 mark. For the day, Bank Nifty likely to trade in 37,300 to 38,700 zone with slight negative bias. Our chart of the day is bullish on stocks like Balrampur Chini, Tata Steel, Steel Authority of India, Concor and Titan on any corrective declines with an intermonth perspective. Tata Steel India has achieved highest ever annual crude steel production of 19.06 million tons with a growth of 13% year-on-year. Tata Steel India deliveries increased by 6% year-on-year in FY22, surpassing the previous best record in FY21. Tata Steel Europe steel production in FY22 grew by 6% year-on-year and total deliveries increased by 2% year-on-year, driven by broad-based improvement in most steel consuming sectors. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022 4076 7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.